Uh-oh. Is your tub drain getting stopped up with hair every time you take a shower? Are you fed up with hair strainers like this that are messy and slimy and hard to clean? Well, don't hate your hair. Get a TubShroom. TubShroom is the all-new and better way to snare your hair and prevent clogged tub drains. Watch. TubShroom catches every single hair every single time you shower. And getting rid of trapped hair is simple too. Just lift it out and wipe it off. It's that easy. TubShroom features a universal design that fits in any standard bathtub drain, and it's guaranteed to catch any type of hair. Long or short, thin or thick, curly or straight. Even pet hair is no problem for TubShroom. And look, other so-called solutions don't catch every hair. And the hair they do catch is on display while you shower, and harder to get rid of when you're done. But the TubShroom's unique design conceals trapped hair. Water flows freely down the drain, and cleanup is always fast and easy.
With this long hair, I used to deal with a clogged drain practically every day. But my TubShroom catches every hair every time I shower. And I love how cute it is.
Catch every single hair every single time you shower with TubShroom. No more clogs, no more hard-to-clean messes, and no dangerous chemicals to damage your pipes. TubShroom is the last hair strainer you'll ever have to buy, backed by our full 30-day money-back guarantee.